Hi, welcome to 102 Cameron Place, located in the exclusive gated community of Eaton's Crossing. This house is conveniently located. Your boathouse is just to your right and the pool is just to the left. So let's go inside and check out the house. Welcome to the heart of the home. This lovely kitchen features granite countertops, the also coveted walk-in pantry, craftsman style cabinets with the soft closed drawers and pulls. Then it's with the open floor plan that everyone desires, right leading out into the rest of the home with your family and friends. Welcome to your personal oasis. Who wouldn't love to come home and rest with this in the evenings? Tray ceilings, large room, plenty of space for that king size bed, leading into a spa bathroom with tiled floors, his and her sinks, and a gracious, lovely walk-in tiled shower. Now it's time to relax and enjoy your evening out here on your screened-in porch with a grilling patio, and let's not miss the beautiful lake views of Lake Gaston, enjoying your choice of beverages. So thank you for visiting this one. My name is Pamela Hale. You can call me at 252-673-5033. Thank you.